I have moved! I used to live above the polar circle in Jokkmokk, where the winters are long and the days are long in the summer. Here you see me in Järve, which is in the mountains only 110 kilometers from Jokkmokk because standard distances here are longer than usual. In Jokkmokk, snow comes in large quantities and reindeers walk around freely, not all the time and not everywhere. Jokkmokk hosts the longest skiing race in the world, Nordenskiöldsloppet, 220 kilometers long, and is the finishing point for Ice Ultra, which is a global race in 4 parts where you run 230 kilometers for 5 days. The snow doesn't melt here in the north till the end of May. This year it was still snowing on May 21st, and even after there are still some piles left till June. There are many wide rivers, älv in Swedish, and the views here are magnificent. The summers can be a bit inconsistent, either 35 degrees hot or a bit cold, like this day when it was only 11 degrees, and that can happen in the rest of Sweden too. The hydro stations are many and provide 25% of the energy supply in Sweden. What is less known is that Jokkmokk inspired a Japanese visitor in the 1970s to create the cookie brand Jokkmokk, and therefore cookie boxes are sent to Jokkmokk municipality every Christmas as a thank you. I changed Jokkmokk for Dalarna, a region in Sweden. You will find many old houses and storages looking like this. In Dalarna, in June and July, in a village called Nås, there is a famous outdoor play, Ingmarsspelen, based on a true story written by one of my favorite authors, Selma Lagerlöf. Nearby is Tobaksspinnarstämman, a meeting point for folk dancers and musicians that camp on the property of a philosophy teacher or stay in his house. In Vansbro is Vansbrosimmet, a big swimming event, both day and night. At night it is accompanied by folk musicians, sometimes on a raft next to the swimmers.